Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains App, and today we're at Grove Park on the Southeastern Mainline. We're seeing services from Southeastern. I know, I can hardly believe it myself. Interesting layout this. You've got platform 1 up there for trains going into and out of Bromley North. So I'm probably, if I want to get those, I might be better off going up there to catch them coming in and out rather than being down here. Yeah, okay. I'm going to move up to the other end of the platform and we shall then get things moving from there. So, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, now I've got myself sorted. The next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1503 Southeastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross, with 465929 leading. And 465171 bringing up the rear. Very nice indeed. And there is 465196 that came in from Bromley. Okay, then the part now is going to be the 1503 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Oh, that was a good spark. Oh, and again, we're getting some good sparks there. Okay, the next train to arrive from behind the foliage is going to be the 1509 Southeastern service from Charing Cross to Sevenoaks with 465180, excuse me, leading things away. It's going to be a little bit quick on the old draw here for trains on that platform, but oh well, we'll make do. As there are some 3 Unit 75s that have just appeared from the tunnel. They'll soon be rattling through this station with a service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. .606 and 610. Okay, then about ready to depart is going to be the 1509 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks. Whenever you're ready. Four 65916s on the rear. Oh no, 466006 is on the rear. Alright then, about ready to depart now is going to be 465196 with the 1513 Southeastern service to Bromley North. This particular unit is just going to be running back and forth all day long. 5 minutes up the line to Bromley, 5 minutes back down the line to here, and vice versa. Okay then, the next train to pass by is going to be a pair of Southeastern 375s going from Charing Cross to Dover Priory. Blimey. 827 and 829. Thundering over the points. That is I could listen to trains thundering over a set of points all day long. Okay, and over on platform number 5 is going to be the 1519 Southeastern service from London Cannon Street to Orpington, operated by 376024. Thank you very much, sir. I can't remember the last time I was given a depot whistle by a driver. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1523 Southeastern service from Orpington to London Cannon Street, worked by 376001. Alan Doggett. A very gentle stop. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be some more Southeastern 375s going from London Charing Cross to Hastings. $811 and $821 with the honours for that one. Okay, the next train to arrive is the return of our 465 coming in from Bromley North. $465-196. Then we're going to have some more Southeastern 375s barrelling past with a service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. $375-802 and $604. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1333 Southeastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross, worked by, I'm presuming it's going to be a pair of, it is indeed, a pair of 707s. Leading the way is 707-018. With 009 bringing up the rear. Squeaky brake time. Okay then, about ready to depart now is going to be the 1333 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. See if we get any sparks under the bridge. Nope, no sparks in that one. Well, that's disappointing. Okay then, the next train to pass by is going to be some more Southeastern 375s working a service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. (623) and 628. Clickety click, clickety click, clickety click. Okay, well I've just been on the phone for a quarter of an hour. In that time we've had some 375s, 376s, and the train to Bromley North came and went. And our final train of the day now is going to be a Maidstone East to Charing Cross Southeastern service. By 377-512 and 377-505. And as they continue onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Thoroughly enjoyable station to come to. Views are pretty decent going south, because you've got the tunnels up there. Going up into London, yeah, not brilliant, but the layout, it's, I don't know, I quite like it, it's quirky layout. But my next station will be Hither Green. Again, that's another quirky layout of a station. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to work out filming there, but I'll get around it some way or another. So, until next time, from me here at Grove Park on the Southeastern Mainline, I shall see you all later. Take care guys, goodbye.